guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be about my favorites. So in this video I do not have generally everything that I love, but yes, there are things that I absolutely love so much that I really would want to share with you guys. So let's quickly get started. The first thing of course is this sweater, which I'm really liking. This from H&M. If you've seen my H&M ka sweaters video, you might have come across this one. I did mention that I really like this sweater. It is very comfortable. It is very warm. Delhi mein of course thand pad chuki hai, so it's very warm. It's not itchy at all and it looks super cool. Slightly little baggy on the end. Got myself extra small in this one. You can watch the video. I'll leave a link in the description box. The second thing which I am loving and I'm wearing like kind of non-stop is this watch. This is by Daniel Wellington and this is from their Icon collection. Icon or Iconic collection. It's an amazing watch, guys, and it just looks so nice. It comes in like a couple of variants. There's a silver one with a white and a black dial, and then there's this rose gold or gold one with a white and a black dial. I went for the white dial and I think this is a 32 mm. I think, I'm not sure, I'll leave it on the screen for you, but this is the medium size actually. So I really like this watch so much. It looks very classy and it is very minimal. Next favorite product in this video of mine is this one. This is Mamaearth's Bye Bye Blemish face cream. This is with mulberry extract and vitamin C. Now this one actually helps to remove the blemishes. Of late, I told you guys I was getting a lot of acne. That means of course there will be some blemishes and stuff. This one, when I came across this one, it is so good, guys. I tried it for 15 days and definitely showed a lot of result. I had some acne over here and I've been using this. The acne kind of died down, but it left blemishes over here, and I am using this every single day. Every time I wash my face, I first apply it and then just apply a moisturizer on top of it, and that's about it. And I'm definitely noticing results from this one. This is for uneven skin tone as well because it has vitamin C, and vitamin C is obviously known for its brightening qualities and a lot of other qualities as well. Oh my god, I just forgot. I'm so proud to tell you guys that Mamaearth is now officially certified from PETA as cruelty free. It is amazing and I'm so proud of it. The products from Mamaearth are all chemical free, all natural. The products from Mamaearth are actually free from any kind of mineral oil, paraben. This product in particular is enriched with bioactives and it's going to suit all the skin types. So let me just quickly talk about this really small cute little bottle. It's a really cute packaging, very sturdy packaging with a clear cap, and it comes with a pump, so you just need kind of 2 to 3 drops depending upon you know how many blemishes you have. I just need this much and it is kind of quite creamy, and I just dab it into my skin so that the product actually gets absorbed into the skin. And Mamaearth as a brand is plastic positive. That means they recycle more plastic than they use, which I really appreciate. This product is really nice, guys. This retails for $449 for 30 ml of product, and you can use the coupon code here on the screen for you to get 20% off on mamaearth.in. So this is available on Amazon, this is available on Nykaa, and this is also available on www.mamaearth.in, which is their own website. So you can definitely go ahead, try this product out and let me know what you think about it, because I'm really loving it, because it's making my blemishes go, which is really good. So that was all about Mamaearth's Bye Bye Blemishes ka face cream. Now of course, because I'm talking of Mamaearth, I have to mention this particular body butter that I love so much. The thing with this one is that it is one of the most enriching body butters that I've come across. I'm really not giving any other brand a try and I'm almost out of it. Just 1/4 of the product is left and I use it every single day. It is very enriching, very moisturizing, and my skin is very dry. It keeps me hydrated 24 hours and I apply it right after the shower. It also comes in a variant which is the Ubtan one, so that is also very nice. I've not begun using that one, but that is also very enriching and that smells really good. Even this one smells like, you know, hot chocolate, and of course it has coffee and cocoa in it, so it smells delicious, guys, and it is so good. It is very enriching. Give this one a try as well. Next thing that I love when it comes to food is this. I have spoken about this one and this is my third purchase. This is a fruit plus nuts plus seeds. This is muesli and this is by Yogabar, and it is rich in protein, fiber, of course high fiber, and it has whole grains in this one. This, guys, is so delicious. I cannot tell you. This is one of my most favorite breakfasts ever. So I just like to eat it with cold milk. Maybe cut a banana if I have it in the house. So I really like to eat it with milk, cold milk, and I just kind of, you know, swirl half a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, half a teaspoon of honey, and I absolutely love the taste. So I would definitely recommend you guys try this. There are a lot of variants. There's almond one, there's one in chocolate and cranberry. So there are 3 variants, no, 4 variants in these, but in particular I love this pink one and the blue or the purple one. Of course, I'll leave links of everything in this particular video in the description box below, so make sure that you go ahead and check the description box out. Of course, talking about food, how can we not talk about beverages? I am loving this tea. This is by Tea Monk Global, and this is their Kashmiri Kahwa green tea. I have, I think, spoken about this tea before as well, but I am simply enjoying it in this weather. I love Kashmiri Kahwa on its own as well, but this one is infused with green tea as well, and green tea from the Nilgiris, and this says that it provides glow and immunity. I do not know about the glow part, but of course immunity I can say, because oh my god, touch wood, I haven't fallen kind of sick abhi, but yes, it tastes good, it makes me feel warm, and it makes me feel so fresh. I love this particular tea. It comes in these kind of tea bags, and you can easily see the contents of everything. It also has some walnuts maybe, or kajus or something inside of it. This one is priced at $6.50, the MRP, but of course you can get it on discount on Amazon or wherever. So I really like it. It's amazing. You definitely should give it a try. The next thing in this video is a book. So of late, you guys know that I'm buying a lot of books, and of course I'm reading a few of those. The book that I'm currently reading is this one. This is A Long Walk to Freedom. This is an autobiography by Nelson Mandela. I have purchased it from Amazon. This book is amazing. I'm not really finished with this one, but it is very engrossing. It's a thick book, of course, and the font is also, I mean, a little painful. It's not that big of a font, but it is a very inspiring journey of this amazing man right over here. If you like autobiographies, or even if you do not like autobiographies, this book I would say is also a collector's item, but if you love to read, then definitely it is a must book. I will definitely recommend this book, and I love this book to bits. The next thing which I'm finding very useful is this particular, I think it is a blackhead remover. It's a physical thing, and it's quite solid steel body. I got this from the Bodyshop. There are 2 heads to it. There is this longer head, then there is this smaller head. Now, I had a lot of black and white heads on my nose, a little over here as well, chin ke upar yahan pe, and I really used to struggle with that. From the time I got it, I cannot tell you how effective this product is. This was around $399 or $499. Feels very solid, and it is really good. All that you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure and, you know, just run it across your nose in whatever direction you want to, but just make sure that you apply the pressure, and your blackheads, especially your whiteheads, just, you know, gets removed. And it is so satisfying sometimes to watch. It is a very gross thing to talk of, but it is so satisfying, and my nose felt like velvet the first time I used it. I would highly recommend this particular thing. I'm not saying that you have to buy it from Bodyshop only. You can buy it from any brand. They are also locally available, but I think these things, I really wonder why I didn't try one of these. It is really good, and it is so effective. So if you have problems of black or white heads in particular, give this one a go. It's really good. The next things, oh my god, I forgot to tell you. Okay, the next thing in this video, which is my really absolute favorite, is this particular lamp, which is a floor lamp. I got it from Ikea. No, Ikea is not in Delhi. It is available in Mumbai. I think it is available online in... It is available in Hyderabad. There's a store in Hyderabad. It is available online in Mumbai and some other places. I think Ikea is opening their first store in Delhi NCR in January, and I'm looking forward to it. But I got this particular floor lamp from Amazon, and I think this is slightly expensive because the price on Ikea.com was slightly lower than the price that I paid on Amazon. But whatever, I really love this floor lamp, and because it is winters, I like to have some warmer light around. It just makes me feel comfortable, and also it makes me concentrate well. I like to have lots of light around, so I am really loving this lamp. And you know, it looks like a really big lamp. It is 46 inches, but it came in such a tiny packaging. I forgot to film that packaging. It was just this packaging. इतना wide packaging था and it was only this thick, so it was very ergonomically packed and it was so easy to build. So I paid $12.99 for this particular floor lamp, which I love. Then I'm going to talk about some Amazon basics ka bedding. Of course you can see it on the screen. This is this micro mink Sherpa ka comforter. Yes, it is so comfortable, guys. I think I've told you guys before as well. I got one in a gray color. Now I got this one in a beige color, and it is so comfortable. It is so soft, and this alone is going to keep you warm throughout the winters. It is so good, I cannot tell you. So that is one thing that I had to mention. Next, I have one perfume to talk about, even though I have a lot of favorite in perfumes. But yes, I will be talking about this particular perfume, which is Zara Oriental. I think one of my lovely subscribers recommended this to me in the comment section below, and that day only I just happened to see it on Zara's website and I ordered one of these. Okay, so I used it, and you can see this bottle is empty. I have used it so much. It is one of their classic fragrances and it is so good, I cannot tell you. It has slight bit of warmth into it as well, slightly vanilla-ish. So I use it during the winters as well, and I think it has a good lasting power. I think it lasts on me for around 5 hours, which is surprising because Zara perfumes are not really that long lasting, but it does last on me. So this one got empty. I purchased this one. This is also half empty, and then I came across this 200 ml one and I purchased this one as well. This is how much I love this fragrance. So of course if you buy the biggest bottle, it is definitely going to be much more economic. This is so economic, and of course I'll be buying it till the time they have it in stock. And yes, my dear lovely friend who've been asking me to do the Zara video, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it really soon. I'm so sorry for the delay. The last thing in this particular video is a belt. This is the first time I'm talking about a belt on my channel because I'm not really a belt person, but because this is so versatile, I got it from Zaful. By the way, Zaful video will be coming up really soon. I got it I think 2-3 months back, and it is such a beautiful belt. I think even Zara has done one of these belt with these kind of rhinestones, but on Zaful it was much more affordable. This is what the belt looks like. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but it is studded with a lot of rhinestones. It has a base of gold and it has beautiful rhinestones. It's so beautiful, guys. Honestly, even if you're wearing a bed sheet and you just throw this on, it's going to jazz up the entire look. Especially for the New Year's, I think this blinky belt is going to look so cool. Plus, I love the width of it. It's not very thin, it is not very thick. It is the perfect width on me, and I can just wear it wherever. It's going to jazz up any outfit. I also have the silver version of this one, but of course, I'm a little biased towards gold, so this one has made it to my favorites. I think that'll be all in this particular video of mine. So that was all the favorites that I had to show you in this video. So the links of all of these products will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure that you go ahead and check that out. Let me know what is that one favorite product that you cannot live without. Please do let me know. I would love to try that out. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already a part of this family, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit my face somewhere here on the screen, or else you can hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be notified about my future videos. Give this video a like or a dislike if you've liked or disliked this video. And of course, I would love to have a perfume or a book recommendation. I'm a little biased. Okay, so thanks so much once again for watching. I love you all so much, guys. Take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Bye.